Have you ever felt the pressure to fit in, to be liked, to be accepted, even if it meant hiding who you really are? Most people walk through life wearing masks, bending their truth just to win a nod of approval. But here's the question no one dares to ask. At what cost? You lose pieces of yourself every time you change who you are just to be enough for someone else. You water down your voice, your dreams, your uniqueness, all in the name of being accepted. And yet, the approval you seek never truly satisfies. Because deep down, you know this truth. You were not born to live on someone else's terms. If you're tired of living in fear of judgment, this message is for you. Now let's dive in. 1. Understand the cost of approval seeking. Every time you say yes just to be liked, you betray yourself. Every time you hide your truth for fear of rejection, you trade authenticity for comfort. Approval seeking is a silent killer. It drains your spirit and dilutes your identity. It puts your worth in the hands of others, and when they withhold it, you crumble. But here's the truth. Approval is addictive, and it's never enough. You could receive 1,000 compliments, but the one criticism will haunt you, because your self-worth was never anchored within. If you must shrink to be loved, then it is not love, it's control, and your soul was not made for a cage. 2. Realize you'll never control people's opinions. You could be the most generous, kind, accomplished, humble person in the world, and someone, somewhere, will still hate you for it. People judge through the lens of their own pain, their own fears, their own projections. Their opinion of you says more about them than it ever will about you. So ask yourself, why am I allowing people who don't know my heart to define my worth? Wisdom comes when you realize this. You don't need to be understood to be at peace. Freedom begins when you stop trying to control how others see you and start focusing on how you see yourself. 3. Honor your inner voice over external noise. There is a quiet voice within you that knows who you are, what you want, and what you value. That voice gets drowned out when you chase approval, but when you sit in silence, when you lean into your truth, that voice will guide you home. When you live for approval, your life becomes a performance. When you live for truth, your life becomes a masterpiece. You don't need to explain your vision to someone who can't see it. Your soul's mission was not given to them. It was given to you. Stop asking for directions from people who've never been where you're going. You don't need validation for a dream only you can see. 4. Embrace the power of disapproval. This is the hardest but most liberating truth. Disapproval is proof that you are alive, unique, and walking your own path. When people disapprove of your choices, it means you're not conforming, and that's something to be proud of. Most people are afraid to stand alone, so they mock those who do. But freedom lies on the other side of that fear. Be so rooted in your truth that even rejection can't shake you. The greatest souls in history were misunderstood in their time. Be okay with being misunderstood. It means you're no longer playing small. 5. Build an inner approval system. Instead of asking, do they like me? Start asking, do I like me? Instead of seeking applause, seek alignment. What if you made decisions based not on acceptance, but on integrity? What if your self-worth was no longer up for debate, but something sacred that no one could touch? Start keeping promises to yourself. Start speaking your truth even when your voice shakes. Start respecting your own needs and watch how powerful you become. When your self-worth comes from within, you become unshakable. You stop performing. You start living. Always remember this. You weren't made to be a copy. You weren't born to be a puppet in someone else's theater. You are not here to blend in. You are here to be real, not liked. Yes, it takes courage to let go of approval. It takes strength to walk alone. But the reward? Freedom, wholeness, inner peace. When you stop seeking approval, you gain something far more valuable: self-respect. So walk boldly in your truth, speak with conviction, live like you are already enough, because you are. The moment you stop chasing approval is the moment you start living.